Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Flutter inside. Today we need to see this here. The size model sets we need to develop like this UI we need to creating here. First of all, we need this here the stateful widgets because we need to select this here the any ones and we need to show this here the select status. That's why I need this here the stateful widgets we need to making here. Now we need to go here inside here the shop folders, create here the new files, and we to give this here the name, select size, screen, dot, dots. Now create here the stateful widgets like here, and we need to give this here the name, select screen size screen, and we need to make here the import this here the material dependency like here, and we need to set at this here the decorations, box decorations, set here the color dot white like here. Then after border radius we need to configure this here the border radius only. Top left radius circular, so we need to set this at the 25, and right top right radius circular set here the 25. Next we need to configurations are the needs here, and we need to configure for this UI, and we need to set it this here or the apply here. And now we need to make this here the child, and we need to create here the columns like here, and make sure minimum size we need to main axis size we need to set here the minimum like here, and cross axis alignments we need to set here the center like here. Need to put here. Now need to set this here the titles text. Give this here the select size like here. I need to configure here for this UI and configures. Then after we need to creating here the styles, text styles, set here the color, the color, import this here. First of all, this color extensions, primary text, set here the font size. We need to set here. We need to set here the 14, medium, font weight, 400, 500 like. We need to set here and apply here. And sized boxed, give this here the height, and we need to apply this here 15. I need to set it here the size boxed, and now need to draw here first of all the bottom buttons, round button, set here the titles, add, and on press event. Need to dismiss call context dot like here. Save here, and we need to opening this here the screens and to another codes. After we need to open this here pop-ups, and then to write down here need to show here how to create it like this here. Now any items inside we need to click here, and we need to open this here the select size, which size we need to buy, add to cards. That's like need to flow scenario. Now I need to find out here the screens as a here's. I need to use this here the previously use this here the sort by. This pop-ups need to make here's, now need to close, use here's, copy here's, and we need to write down here the one functions because many places we need to possible. That's why we need to do designs. We need to one time write it here the quotes, open this here's, write down here the tool, and we need to write here the actions, and we need to write down here the functions. Void open add one sized selection. Size select. Paste this like here the course, and paste this here, applying here the semicolons. And we need to return this here. Select size screens, and we need to save here. Open this here, and we need to write down here the functions. Inside we need to unselect methods. We need to put here the separators here. Open the selected screen. Again, we need to copy, and same as now we need to call here the grid item cells. Inside we need to go these here, and we need to set here the stack widget wrap extend inkwell on tab event. Need to call here. We need to set here the final void callback on press event on press, and you need to set here these parameters required, and we need to pass this here the on pressed. Now we need to save here, and we need to write down here the on press set here, and open this here the size selections, and save here. Now we need to click here and opening like this here the UI, and make sure and to give this here the bottom size of the droppers we need to put in here. Now we need to go against here the select screens, select size screens, and we need to set here save here. Apply here, and also need to set here the padding const edges inset all. You need to set this here the 15s and show like this here the UI, and reflecting this here the size also here, and header tree. You need to check here the font size, semi bold 18. Sorry about that. 600 black here, and we need to make here the another container width. We need to set here the 100, and height set here the for, create here the decorations, box decorations, set here color, t color, primary text, and border radius. Circulars we need to set this here the 2, and show like here's this. Maybe we need to set here with values, and set here the alpha 0.5, and decrease this here, so need to set here the 16, and set here the sized box, give this here the some height. We need to set here the 15. Similar to designs, we need to put CS, and also increase this here the 8, maybe more. We need to set here the 6. Now display goods, and 3 here around shape. Now like this we need to put it here, and we need to make this here the size info. We need to put here, maybe need to create here the dividers. First of all, the given this space, set here the sized boxed, not size boxed, divider. Give this here the color black 12, and height we need to set here 0.5. apply like here. Again, so need to copy and we need to paste this here like here. And now need to create here the row and like buttons we need to convert into the buttons inkwell. Use this here. Replace with here the buttons tags with inkwell like here and set here the comma. Now we need to set here the text. Anyone we need to copy here and we need to paste this here. Applying here. Now need to set here the size info. Show here the size info. Like here the putting here the buttons and also make sure so need to set here the heights. To use this here the size boxed. Use this here the heights. Need to set here the 50 and we need to set here the space. We need to use this here the main axis alignments space between. We need to apply here and make sure we need to convert into the containers is good because we need to also use this here the padding to better than use this here the containers because need to provide this here the options. Need to set here the same horizontals. Need to set here the 20. Look like this here they applying and we need to save here and show like this here the size info. Now need to set here the fonts 16 regulars. Use this here the 400s, otherwise you need to remove here. By default need to regular fonts need to use this here. Now we need to set here the icons dot need to set here the right arrow need to put here right alters keyboard round outlet like here. Set here the color t color primary text and size need to set here the smalls. That's why I need to provide this at the 50 and show like here. Maybe you need to set here the 20. Now this is our the displaying goods applying here. And now we need this here the size related to we need to configure this here the grid view. We need to providing here already we need to put inside the filters. We need to making here again. So we need to write this code here. We need to explain in details. We need to write down here the grid view code. So we need to applying here for this UI. We need to call here the after this dip. We need to call this here the grid view with builders. We need to apply here the grid delegate silver grid delegate blacks x counters to use this years apply here the counts as need to cross successfully to given this here the 3 and spacings here most important. So we need to set here the space main space. We need to set here the 15s. Also we need to set here the cross axis space. We need to set here the 15 like here's and cross side here the cross aspects elements need to ratio need to also need to providing here already you need to use here the filter screens. We need to given this here the size sections inside we need to put it this here like this grid. We need to develop need to copy this here the aspect ratio size need to calculate these times. Now we need to copying here price range and after so we need to get this here the size and after this list categories here inside we need to setting here the categories. Now again so we need to copy for this value and we need to paste this here like here. Set here the comma and also need to copy this here the cells inside the data. We need to need here ink well close here and we need to applying this here the paste line of code. Make here the errors because use this here the context dot indexed and paste here return these functions Now here the selection categories. We need to show here the select category. We need to know needs like here. We need to remove this code, and also here is select indexed. Select and to write down here the integer select indexed. Set here the by default 0. Copy here and we need to change line of code this here equal to indexed. Like here, so we need to copying here for this line of codes. Also need to put here and also need to set at this here objects inside the string. We need to write down here the array of the size list size array. Already need to making here now inside the filter screen, so need to copy and paste here this size array, close here, paste this here. Now use this size array. We need to set here the length item count dot length and make sure this grid view inside. Use this here the physics never scroll physics, as well as need to sync wrap. Need to set here the true, because inside you need to not providing and the scroll. Now you need to get here the objects where object is equal to, need to call this here the size array index of value like here, and we need to copy here the size of value and already need to put it here and applying here for this data, and we need to set here the state here select index is equal to index like, so we need to calls and we need to save this here and show like this here the data. Maybe make mistake here dividers, but here's and this dividers others show like here's, and make sure, so need to give this here the some height space between here the this value. We need to set here the 25, and also again we need to copy this line of codes, and here we need to this here the line of code space like here. This is the site info. If here the minus ones we need to set, so by default need to not selections. So like this we need to configure here, close here the screens, again open here, and then after selected here. If minus ones means unselected, so automatically declares equals, because need to this array inside we need to not take here the minus ones. That's why I need to give this here the minus ones at unselect value. We need to providing here. Like here the making here the UI, and make sure we need to remove this here the horizontal padding no needs. Need to clean here, so need to write down directly size box is good. Now display goods here and increase this space. Need to set here the 25 like here. Now this is our UI are the displaying goods, and maybe you need to change this here the titles to card. Now display goods. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.